Okay, in today's video we are lagging today. I'm just kidding. We are going to play driving simulator train. Not
What?
just this.
I'm a train, but I'm walking.
You're lagging.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
What did you say? Yeah. Where are we?
Ew. I'm the train.
Oh, you're the train?
I just skipped that thing. I just skipped a station, but yeah, I'm going really fast, 100 knots. And now I'm at the next station already.
Hey, guy!
I'm lagging very much, so we can't do this any much longer because the video has already been 1 minute and 34 seconds. So we can't do anything right now. It's my little butterfly. I'm a little butterfly.
Speed!
Okay, I can go. Help! Help!
Help me.
You're about to crash into me, Drew. Good thing I escaped. I see you back there.
Come on, zero, yes.
I'm in South Altona.
What?
I'm in South Altona. Oh my god, I'm lagging. I'm just lagging.
Oh, what the heck? Who is this guy?
I don't know, maybe you need to stop. Stop already because you're looking at inside and there's a station right in front of you, and if you pass that, you're dead.
Hey, stop. Now what?
There's a station there because you're literally going real fast. In real life, you don't go in trains like high speed, bro. Maybe only reckless driver do that, but not me. But where are you? Are you in South Altona? Oh, hi.
Hello? This you?
Yep, there's me.
Now I'm gonna... Here, just go. Oh, not there.
Cause I'm going here.
No, stop.
Why did I derail too reckless of driving or bug? That was definitely a bug.
Bye. Oh! I'm so speed. Hey!
I unlock another train and it's more longer than You think? Is this the picture? Oh.
Who is this guy? I don't want to Let's go too far.
I have more cards now. I'm longer.
Your character is here.
I'm in Wendell already.
No, I'm gonna stop. Stop. Oh my.
Why am I in the...
Are you cheat? No. They're fast. Oh, not going fast so high. I'm not 100 speed. That's
Good thing I didn't go there.
Who is it? Oh, there's a good guy here. Slow down.
This
I'm gonna
is
pass
her. Is that a boy or a girl?
a boy.
Then you said him, not her.
I'm going to
I'm so laggy!
What? Stop! Don't stop.
Oh my god, that was really, really scary, I might say. And,
Remember what I told you earlier about Russia preparing the American strikes? Remember the joint naval exercises with Iran just days before this?
I'm going to South Altona.
Remember the intelligence concerns?
1 kilometer. Okay, that's easy.
How to know where am I?
Next station is Blank Knees.
I'm going to Black.
Blank-Knees. But the pronunciation, because it's fast, is Blank Knees. But if you slow it down, it's Blank Knees.
Oh, I'm so lucky.
Don't say that, because you're not the only one slugging today.
No, slow down. Good.
Is everyone going here? Or yeah? Why won't you go?
Oh, not 100 speed, okay.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, not 100 speed, okay.
I'm gonna go 29 speed. It's basically 30.
The next station is South Altona. I don't know.
Altona?
Yeah.
I'm going to East Altona now.
My train is cool.
I'm lagging very much, I would say.
Yeah.
That would be really horrible if...
Everybody is not.
Why am I so laggy?
Next. Oh, bruh, I X'd it, bruh. Are you serious?
You know you can get a better train, you know. And go to 7.
Who is this guy?
I don't know, random. Stealing your train.
No. It's not stolen.
definitely is in your face.
I have 100 speed. Ah! I'm sorry, guys. But now.
You need to slow down at 30 if you are very close to the station. Don't go 100 because you might miss the station.
Yeah, because I'm gonna die.
Reaper Band.
Oh, my station now. There's it. Okay. Oh, crap. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to.
Everyone get into the train. You know what? No, I'm just kidding. I won't go on that.
I missed one.
You're gonna miss a station.
I'm super slow. Because I'm fast.
Why am I still underground? Of light.
No, not speed of light. And speed 14.
Of light.
Bruh. Don't say it again, Rose.
Okay. You're really scary.
Everyone is.
I can see the light, the airport.
What airport?
The Hamburg Central Airport. Hamburg Central Airport. That's the real name of it.
Go, go, go. Everyone, come in, come in.
Should I picture my cats are fighting
Yeah,
and post it to YouTube Shorts
yeah.
and edit it?
Your cat is fighting?
Yep.
Oh, I have a dog here.
You don't have a dog.
I have a dog.
We're literally in the exact same house.
Yeah. But that's not your cat. That's our cat. And
Did you guys hear it? It's literally a cat.
yeah,
And one is mine.
and one is mine.
And it's a nigger.
Yeah. Because I like it. Hey, why am I going here? Okay.
I'm in the last station, by the way.
Idiotic. Now I'm gonna go to 100 quadrillion%.
Okay, there's a next station that is really close there.
I'm going. Bruh, this not. Going. Come on.
Where am I?
I don't know. Nearby.
I'm back. What the hell? Wait, no, I'm still Hamburg.
We're dead just killing.
I'm still in Hamburg
flies.
station. What the hell?
Oh, no! The passenger. Wait a minute, the sign.
Gotta go fast. No, I'm literally in 100.
Yeah, I'm going 52. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Shoot.
Your train. Shoot your train.
Yes, I'm slowing down.
Yes, you're raising up.
The heck? You're
Everybody go to the race station.
What the heck?
Roblox, why are you here and not going through my special train, idiot?
Roblox is.
Oh no, he's gonna ban me. He's gonna ban me. Bye.
Yeah, just. Now I'm gonna go faster, faster, fast. Is
What
that
happens
me?
if I?
Is that
Yep.
you?
Yep. What happens?
Oh, you go to the other side?
What? What happens if I skip the station? Nothing happens. Okay.
You died.
I drop. Okay,
Now I'm gonna pass this station.
um
Yippee, and I died.
yeah. So I'm just gonna act like a passenger. Can you die, please?
I'm gonna go there. Bruh. Why?
Just die, be a train.
Okay.
Okay. Just acting like an NPC here.
Okay, I have so many rails. Because I am brand new. Oh. Hey, why there's a player? It's a girl. What the heck? Other side door. Oh, someone kicked to the door. What the heck? Come on.
Hey yo, I'm not raising.
What do you say? Oh, you're passing me, huh? You're passing me? You're
Oh my
passing
god.
Me, huh? You're passing me? I'm gonna pass you.
No! Dude, you scared me! No, I'm dropping this. That was pretty crazy, and if you wanna watch the next video, I'm not there, so this stupid. Just see me in my next video, okay? I have a